Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. At first I'm gonna say sorry to all of you guys for making this video lately because my exams were going on, so I couldn't get enough time for making the video, but now I'll try to make videos regularly. So let's start the video. So in today's video I'm gonna make a simple distance meter using an ultrasonic sensor and arduino Uno. So let's see the requirements that we need to make this project. So for making this project you definitely need the arduino Uno, which will work as the programming board for this project. And then you need the main thing, that is the ultrasonic sensor, which is the main thing of this project. It works with ultrasounds. And at last you need some jumper wires. So let's see the circuit diagram and connect the wires with the Arduino and the ultrasonic sensor. So at first take the ultrasonic sensor and the jumper wires. So as you can see I've already connected the jumper wires with the ultrasonic sensor, and then if you guys take a look at these pins, there are 4 pins here: VCC, trig, eco and GND. So connect the VCC with 3 volts or 5 volts and ground with the ground, and give the trig pin to the AO and the eco pin to the A1. So now our connection diagram is finished. So now it's time to upload the code. So let's go to our computer and upload the code for this project. So in case of uploading the code, I've already given the code link is in the description. You can download it. So at first go to tools and select the right port, that is the Arduino Uno, and select the right port like COM3. Arduino Uno means the Arduino Uno is connected to COM3, and then you are done. Just click the upload button and the code will be uploaded to your Arduino. You can see some light blinking in the Arduino Uno. So as you can see the code is uploaded, and now it's time to test the project. So let's test it. So in case of testing the code, means the project, you just need to open the serial monitor. Remember, don't open the Arduino, means the wire connected to the Arduino with your laptop. Keep it connected and open the serial monitor. Then use the serial monitor, and after opening it, you should select the right baud rate, like the baud rate is 9600. Select it and let's restart again. So as you can see there are some variables, means some data are showing out, like the distance is 32 meters. So the ultrasonic sensor is actually working now. It is taking the distance of the camera by which I'm recording. It is showing that the camera is far from it, like 32 centimeters. If you want, then you can check it, like give your hand or object. And now if you see, it is showing 7 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and if I like 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So it actually works. So in the next video I will show you how you can make a distance meter by using a LCD screen, and you don't need to open the serial monitor. You can easily see the distance in the LCD screen. So let's see in the next video. Until that, stay safe and stay home. Goodbye.
Best of me now, best of me, they want the best of me now.